Hi. So we can colorize our invoice before we print it. Okay. So let's try right now. Assume that this block of area over here, I want to give it a bit of shade, a bit of grayish shade. Okay. And the text, perhaps I want to give it a bit of color, a bit of a darker shade of gray. And this one, perhaps it should be red color. Alright. And for this one, the background color should be yellow. And I want to apply this this formatting across, not to say across, but apply it down. Okay, to this one and this one and this one. Now there's one trick you can do in Excel, which is pulling it down, and then that will be done. But it not only copies the background color and all the formatting specification, it also copies the value of the cell, which we don't want. We can come over here to the bottom right corner, you can click, and you can choose, I want to fill the formatting only. Alright, this is what we wanted. We want to copy the formatting down. And therefore, after you've done this, the formatting is copied without changing the content of the cell. I can apply this over here. Assume that I want the color to be blue, example. Okay, I can drag it down. Okay, and you can see it changes color. Oh, sorry, not changes color, but it changes the value as well. Now, okay, fill formatting only, and that will fix the problem. Now, the issue with all these cells is that once you copy, the formatting that applies over here will be applied all the way down. And when you copy, you see the border at the top here is being copied down. So it becomes a bit of a nuisance because you actually have lines in the middle. Okay, so we want to eliminate these lines. You right click, format cells. Okay, come to borders and you eliminate this. Okay, 2 clicks and it's gone. Now we have already seen borders, and let's have a look over here. Perhaps this can be useful, especially when you have a text that is stretching too long. You want to bend it, you want to rotate it a bit, say 45 degrees, in order for the text to fully occupy that cell. Yeah, you can do something like this. Press OK, and you can see that it's actually slanted. Okay, just a demonstration. We will revert it back to its original. Oops. We will undo. You can press ctrl-z to undo.